Hi, today I want to talk about SAP Integration Suite and there about API management. So first of all, what is API management? API management refers to the process of creating, publishing and managing API connections between applications and systems across the enterprise. It allows organizations a scalable, unified platform to share the API configurations while controlling access, collecting and analyzing usage statistics, and enforcing associated security policies. With the SAP Integration Suite, and here especially the API management, you can design your APIs based on open standards, including OData and Open API specification. Develop your APIs by exposing and composing backend interfaces from apps or middleware. Protect your APIs from security threats, manage traffic, and cache your data on the edge with more than 40 built-in policies. Monitor and analyze API usage, performance, and errors. Engage with application developers and monetize your digital assets through API portals. I hope you got a first impression about the API management. See you next time. Bye.